Hello guys, on this video I would like to show you how a cargo charter aircraft loaded the goods on the aircraft cargo. As you see now, I'm on the aircraft and look inside the cargo. As you see, the goods are lifted up from the ground and on the cargo. All this will be done automatically by the cargo system.
You want to turn around, Kenny?
This is the first load of our mast into the cargo charter aircraft.
Walk out. It's okay, we're walking. It's okay. Come on in and walk out.
As you see, the goods are packed into packages on the panels and lifted up on the cargo airplane and pushed in one by one.
All the way. Now, all the masts are done, loaded on the aircraft and ready to go to Colombia! Colombia! Yes, Colombia! Thank you!
Please kindly subscribe Ken's channel so we all can grow our channels. Thank you for watching and subscribing.